asking for and giving permission. In this lesson, we will learn how to ask for permission, how to give or grant permission, how to refuse or deny permission. It's very important to ask for permission to do something and everything. In this lesson, we will learn that some expressions, it will help you how to ask for permission for the approval. We need to ask for permission at work, or maybe ask a friend if in case you have to borrow something from him or her, or if you want to take something from him or her, we have to ask for permission. So we are going to learn some expressions that would help you for asking for permission and giving permission. You want to ask for permission. When you want to ask for permission, you want to ask to do something you are not sure, so you want to ask for permission from your belongings, or from your dad, or from your close ones. I am giving some examples. You are at the cinema, you are waiting to your friend, he has not come yet. So request a stranger nearby to allow you to his or her cell phone for a while to make a call to your friend. Can I borrow your mobile? I want to make a call to my friend. Or I need to make a very urgent call. Could I use your cell phone for a while? So what I am going to tell you that for certain action we need to ask for permission. Making request is also similar to asking for permission. Now I am writing some useful expression of how to ask for permission and how to give permission. Asking for and giving permission. Asking for and giving permission. This is the topic what we are learning now, asking for and giving permission. Some useful phrases of how to ask for permission. How to ask for permission. Some useful phrases. Can I, may I, could I, do you mind if I ... Do you mind plus verb ing. Would you mind if I? Would you mind plus verb ing. Is it okay if I? Would it be alright if I? So these are the useful expressions of how to ask for permission. Once again I am telling you, may I, can I, could I, do you mind if, do you mind plus verb ing, would you mind if, would you mind plus verb ing, is it okay if I, would it be alright if I am using now some languages. May I use your cell phone for a while? Can I use your cell phone for a while? Could I use your cell phone for a while? Do you mind if I use your cell phone for a while? Do you mind using your cell phone for a while? Would you mind if I use your cell phone for a while? Would you mind using your cell phone for a while? Would it be alright if I use your cell phone for a while? So these are the useful expressions of asking for permission. How to ask for permission? If you want to give permission or grant permission, what are the useful phrases of how to give or grant permission? Now, how to give or grant permission? How to give or grant permission. All right, sure, go ahead, no problem. Yes, I guess so. All right, sure, go ahead, no problem. Yes, I guess so. Okay. These are the useful expressions of giving permission. So, making request and asking for permission is very similar to each other. I am giving some more examples of how to ask for permission. You are going to ask for permission from your friend listening to music on his or her phone. How to ask for permission from your friend to use his or her cell phone for a while? Can I listen to music on your phone? Clear now? Can I, if you want to ask for permission from your friend listening to music on his or her phone, you have to say, can I listen to music on your phone? Second examples I am giving you. Suppose you are giving some examples that borrowing a book. You want to ask for permission from your classmate for borrowing a book. How to ask for permission from your classmate for borrowing a book? Can I borrow your book for a day? Or can I borrow your book for 2 days? So how to give or grant permission? All right then, or sure, no problem? Yes, I guess so. Okay, all right then. So this is the how to give or grant permission. What people generally do mistake. May I go outside? Yes, you may go, like this. People are saying, but these are wrong. This is not the yes or no type of questions. What are the yes or no type of question? If somebody say that, do you play chess? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Can you swim in the river? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Is your dad in? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. This is the yes or no type of question. But what I am going to discuss with you people is that how to ask for permission, how to give or grant permission. So while you are granting or giving permission, you have to say, all right then, okay, no problem, sure, go ahead. Yes, I guess so. So In this class, what I am going to giving some examples of the situations, what type of situation, how do you ask for permission. I am giving one more examples to you people, how to ask for permission and how to give or grant permission. You want to go to school picnic with your friends and teachers. You want to ask for permission from your parents. How do you ask for permission from your parents? Can I go to school picnic with my friends and teachers? All right then, no problem. This is the how to ask for permission and how to give permission. So in the next class, for more video about how to ask for permission, giving permission, or topic is the asking for and giving permission. For more videos, if you want to look, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So I will do one or more classes of how to ask permission, how to give permission and how to refuse or deny permission. Thank you.